Alright, let's get started on the transmission mount. Good time to replace your air filter if you want. It doesn't look dirty actually. Put that back there. I think that's 310 millimeters. Oh, okay. You have to remove that. That is our canister purge valve. That's also held by a 10 millimeter. Something like that. Let's just pull out. There we go. Okay. Just pick it up. It's connected on this side too, but I guess that's okay. We don't have to worry about that. A socket back though. I don't think. Yep. We're just gonna try and spray everything with WD. Okay, that last one, just gonna have to kind of force that air box out the way just a little bit. Because of that, I'm just gonna remove this one right away. Bam. Now, if you really look at your new mount looks just like this. The bolt I just took out is this one right here, and you can attack it with this kind of swivel setup. So 14 mil 3/8 swivel and some different size extensions. That's how I was able to get this one out. Just not trying to let it fall. Oh, my socket fell though. Just like that same concept. With here, I went right up under this mount. Right up under that. Got it in there. Alright, definitely not what I recommend. You should definitely get yourself a block of wood or something like that, but just jack it up near the back of the transmission pan. I'm just using something soft so there's not metal to metal contact, and elevate it just enough to take the weight off of this bolt, so that when we take this bolt out, it should come out nice and easy. Keep turning for your life, but it comes out. Just gonna use that, put that back there so that we don't lose that nut. And you're out. Now, look at that. Ooh, she's out, baby. You can see rubber's busted in here. It's just, you can look right through that. This here, all connected. Looks great. Get our new mount. We're gonna drop it in there. Love how easily that just fell in. That's perfect. Yeah. Okay, now you can tell we're gonna have to jack this up some to line that up. So just like that, and just a little bit. Nothing special. And it went right through. That is awesome. Get our bolt here, and I want you to just walk these on. Okay. For some reason, I wasn't able to get my socket back here, so using a box head 14 this time. Maybe that's just how the new mount is made, but get your 14 and snug it up right there. Only needs about 50 foot-pounds of force. I used a box head 14. Jesus, woo. Ooh. All right. You should not use swivel joints when you're doing this, but I only need a little bit of angle, so it's not gonna kill anything. Just get your little rubber piece in there, and it should slide right in. Move this back, and I'm not even gonna clip that down. I just want it in there. Just line up your hole. Reinstall your 310s. Put some anti-seize on there if you want to. Clean your air box out of any debris. This is the time to replace your air filter if you want to. Just like that. We're gonna get our 10 mil right here. Put that back on right there. That's it, just like that. Snaps. But just get your terminals, clean them up. Oopsie. Notice I'm putting a positive on first. Let's get some dielectric grease in there. Reinstall that. Spark. Okay, good. And that's it. Don't murder it.